Okay, today we're going to be installing our dual motor emblem in matte black, predominantly for Model 3 and Model Y. We're starting to kind of get all of our emblems shipped the same way, so in the pack you're going to find alcohol wipe and then the emblem itself. And like most of our emblems now, we embed it, just trying to get the reflection off of that, in like a foam template, so all your letters are pre-spaced and everything else. And then we just have this clear carrier film across the top, and then obviously the white backing on the back. So a couple of notes about this emblem, and really any emblem that you're putting on the back of your Tesla, is that none of the lines are particularly straight. I mean, they obviously are, but there's curves and weird kind of 3D profiles everywhere. So the most complicated part of this process of installing one of these emblems is really just to find a straight line. So it's up to you how you do it. We're going to throw a laser. We're going to put the dual motor emblem just about here. So the first thing we're going to do is clean it up with the alcohol wipe. The main purpose of this is to get any wax residue, anything that will prevent the adhesion of the 3M VHB, very high bond tape on the back of the emblem. And while that flashes, let me get my laser level. So you don't have to use a laser level, it's just as good as anything. So we're kind of aligned to the bottom of the license plate. Again, there's no kind of hard and firm rules about this, but that seems like a decent place to go with. And then I'm going to grab the emblem. So you need to work a little carefully with this. These are very small letters and kind of fiddly, so we're going to carefully peel off the white backing now. And just go real slow, make sure the letters stay in place in the foam template, like so. And then get rid of my stool. I'm going to kind of get down on the level. I'm just going to gently, I'm going to line up the red line with it, because that makes it real easy for the video. So just gently tap it in place, first of all. Take a step back, obviously it's still in the foam template, but take a step back and make sure that you're happy with the positioning of it, which I think I am. Let's get the laser out of here. Then all you need to do is just sort of apply firm pressure to each of the letters, then work your way along the red as well, the performance bar. If you don't have a performance Model 3 or Y, just have a regular one. It's up to you whether you want to keep the red bar there or not. Obviously you can remove it if you need to. Then just remove the foam surround. And there you are. You have a dual motor emblem for your Tesla. Only other thing to note is, once you've applied it, just avoid temperature extremes, weather extremes for about 24 hours. So no super hot, super cold days. If it's wet or snowing outside, then just keep the car away from that just for a day or so, just to make sure that everything sets okay. That's it. Thank you for watching.